knife attacks. Very, very scary, very dangerous situation. And of course, give him what he wants. Money, wallet, phone, it's not worth your life. But if he wants to hurt you, harm you, or even worse, there's still something you can do. Let's go.
So he comes in with a front stab, all right? Okay, main thing is try to get to the outside. You can use any way you want to get his knife or his hand out of the way, right? Just don't get hit. Get to the outside, okay? Get in tight. Get one hand over, one hand under his hand. Okay, lock it in tight. From here, he can't do much. I could even go for a trip, right? But give him an elbow here, okay? And then rotate. In tight, small movement, and down, right? He's either going to break his wrist if he doesn't go down, all right? From here, take the knife away. You can stomp him, use it against him. The main thing is just run. If you can, use something that you have. A bag, something as a shield, right? That's the best thing. All right, so what you can do is something like this, right? Comes in with a stab, right? Okay, block it if you can, all right? As soon as you get in tight, get your one hand over, one hand under his hand, all right? Get on his outside, he can't do much from here, okay? Give him an elbow, right? Actually, from here, I could even go for a trip, but this technique, you can twist his hand over, in tight, down, okay? If he doesn't go down, he'll break his wrist. From here, it's easy to take the knife away, give him a kick, use it against him. Main thing is run. He comes in with a stab. Do anything you can to get out of the way, to his outside, right? So a parry, block, anything, right? Okay, as soon as you're here, get shoulder to shoulder with him, okay? In tight, all right? Get good hold of his hand or wrist. Give him an elbow, okay? And now you've got him here. I want you to just go this way. Use your weight, all right? Down, okay? If he doesn't go down, give him a little trip. Right? From here, it's pretty easy to take the knife away, use it against them. The main thing is just rub. This is a bit of an advanced technique, but it's good to know, all right? Tendency, the natural reaction to people when somebody comes is to grab it, right? But you're still very vulnerable, especially if you miss. So, it comes in, try to take a bit of a step to the side, go for the upper arm rather than the wrist or the hand, okay? Less movement here, bigger area. You got this, you can slide down, okay? Slide it down to his wrist, come in, hand over his, back under, grab your own wrist, bring it back. Right here is very uncomfortable, all right? You've got him in a lock now, very easy to bring him down, kick, stomp, get out. So, important thing is, from a knife attack from above, you just want to get out of the way. Even if you mess up, at least it doesn't get you. So, first, sidestep, alright? You're out of the way. Do not try to do this, because that's pretty scary. And look at it, I mean, he still gets me, right? Okay, so, sidestep first, okay? At the same time, get your hands like this. Take it on the forearm, okay? Not like this, it's easy to miss. More surface area here, okay? Sweep it around, okay? Get shoulder to shoulder or to your chest. Go with it, bring him down, all right? From here, you can take the knife, kick, use it on him, run. Did I get you again? Shit, sorry. It's so close, you know. So there might be situations where somebody holds you up with a knife from the back, all right? Maybe they want to rob you, get your money or something. Of course, give them what they want, but if they want more than that, there's still something you can do, all right? So, okay, you feel the knife at your back. Okay, you're going to use your arm, your elbow, and turn very quickly, all right? Out of the way, all right? Same time, get an elbow to the head, all right? Grab on, good for a knee here. Drag him down. Good, right? You can stomp, take the knife away, you're out. Whether he's got his knife in the right hand or left hand, same concept. If it's in the left hand, right? Simple, elbow, knee, same thing.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Check back soon for more self-defense videos and fitness videos you can do at home with no equipment. All to get you ready, safe, and fit. See you soon.